Welcome to Fleetsy, my submission for DemonHacks 2020. My name is Rory Dickinson and I worked on this app as a solo individual. After speaking with representatives of Donlin earlier yesterday, I was inspired to make an app that aligns along their line of business. Fleetsy is a Java-based web application that helps organizations manage their fleet of vehicles, or at the very least, it's the beginnings of such an app. First, I created a 3-node Cockroach DB database cluster, and I'm running this locally with Docker for Windows. I'll pull up the UI admin and show you. As you can see, I have 3 live nodes, Roach 1, Roach 2, and Roach 3, and I have a database called Fleetsy that has just a few tables. I used Flyway along with its Maven plugin to execute SQL scripts for creating tables and inserting data. The application runs on Spring Boot, and the front end is HTML and CSS served through a WAR file. The application opens with this welcome page. Eventually there would be a proper login page with authentication, but for now several organizations are listed for convenience. Clicking on an organization loads the fleet page. Here there's a list of all the vehicles in that organization's fleet. Each row lists VIN, color, make, model, and mileage. Clicking on the vehicle VIN navigates you to the vehicle service history page. The details of the selected vehicle are shown here in the Jumbotron. The table below shows the complete service history for the vehicle, sorted by service date in descending order. Each row lists the service date, the mileage at service, the service performed, the provider, TBD, and the cost. Eventually, the service provider column will link to the service provider information, which for now can be accessed by using the navigation link. Clicking that link opens the service providers page, which lists companies that provide auto services for vehicles in the fleet. Each row simply lists phone number and location, which opens up a Google map. That's the app for now. Obviously there's a lot more to do, including creating editable forms for vehicles and services, expanding captured data such as engine types and license plate numbers, sophisticated searching and sorting for vehicles and services, adding more reference data such as the service types, adding additional fleet services such as insurance providers, and adding reporting features such as upcoming services required reports. Overall, I'm glad I reached this point in the project. I had a pretty good time doing it. Thanks a lot for watching my submission video.